Bonjour les amis, comment ça va? J'espère que vous allez bien. Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Friends, this is part 2 of les adjective possessive, which you have been waiting for a long time. So, in part 1, we learned possessive adjectives in a tabular form, means a table form, like you can see on your screen. Mo ma me, to ta te, so sa se, notre no, votre vo, le. So this table we have done in part 1. Today in this video we will focus on using these words moma me tota te, these words in sentences with clear and simple examples that I am going to give you. Okay? It will help you understand the correct usage, how to use these words in sentences. So, can we start? Come on, let's start. These are the examples that I have written here. You can see on your screen. So let's start answering the sentences. I have left the blank in the sentence. First, we will read the English sentence. On the basis of that, we will fill the blank. Okay? One thing I wanted to tell you, the word. This word is a noun which is following the blank. Okay, so for filling the blank, we have to check whether the word is a masculine, feminine or plural. So this first page that you can see, I have written all the examples of masculine because the meaning of book is livre, which is an exception masculine, singular. It is an exception in French that the word is ending with E. It is a masculine. So I have already told you in the table that for masculine words, we will use mo, to, so, notre, votre, and the last word is le. Can you remember, friends? So these are the words that we are going to use for answering the blanks. So let's read the first sentence. This is my book. So for this is, I have written say. And for book, it's livre. Now we have to answer this word my. There are three ways we can write my, mo, ma, me. If it is masculine, we will use mo. If it is feminine, we will use ma. And if it is plural, we will write me. And I have already told you this word is masculine. So we will write mo in the blank. Let's come to the second sentence. This is your book. Say dash livre. Sorry, R is missing. Say dash livre. So your can be answered in two ways. Ton or votre. Both the words have same meaning, your. One is used for informal and one can be used for formal. But here in the sentence it is not showing whether the sentence is formal or informal. So we can use both the words. Here I am writing to. Now let's come to the next sentence. This is his book. So his, say, son livre. Those who are finding it difficult how to answer the words, you can go to the part 1 of les adjective possessive to see. I have shown the table and I have explained everything how to use the words. I will share the link in the description box. Now the next sentence is, this is her book. Now her is also son. Say son livre. Next sentence, this is our book. Our is notre. Say notre livre. It comes from nous. Notre, notre, no. So notre I have written. In the last sentence, this is their book. Their means leur. Say leur livre. I hope you are understanding, children. Let me tell you once again, whenever the word following the blank is masculine, singular, so we will use mon, to, son, notre, votre, leur. Clear? Let's move to the next examples. Now you can see some more examples that I have written. Let's first understand the word following the blank. This is mère. Mère means mother, which is a feminine singular. So the words which have to be filled in the blanks for the following word is ma, ta, sa, notre, votre, leur. These are the words of feminine singular. Let's start filling the blanks. First read the sentence. I am talking to my mother. Je parle à dash mère. So my mother. And for replacing this word in French, we will write ma. Next is, you are talking to your mother. So tu parles à ta mère. My, your, his or her, are, your, their. Now, he is talking to his mother, which is sa. She is talking to her mother, again sa. Because il and el have same adjective possessives, so sa, say. Same way with il plurial, el plurial, same words, leur, leur, leur. Now the next sentence, we are talking to our mother. Our is notre. Is it clear? Now let's move to the next part. The next sentence is, I am talking to your mother. Now again this sentence is coming. Previous one I have written ta. Now this one I will write votre, because it can be formal. And the last sentence is, my sister is going to their house. I know I have changed the sentence, but I want to explain this with other sentence also. That's why I have written. So once again, I'll read the sentence. My sister. See, the word is sister. It is a feminine noun, which means sir. That's why I have written ma. Okay. So, ma sir va a dash maison. Their house. There means le. Their house. Ma sœur va à le maison. Understood? Now, friends, there are some exceptions that I have written here. Earlier, we were studying that whenever the word is feminine, we will use ma, ta, sa, notre, votre, leur. Why I have not written those three words? Notre, votre, leur. Because these three are same for masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine. So, that's why we will talk about these three only. Now, why I have written this as exception, whenever the word is belonging to feminine, singular, vowel, voyelle, femina, singulier, voyelle. Like it is école, which is a feminine word, singular word and beginning with the vowel. So we will not write ma, we will write mo. My school. Same way. See the next one. Army. It is a feminine noun. Feminine because it is ending with E. Singular and beginning with a vowel. Your friend. So for replacing this your, we will write ton. Clear? See the last example. Image, which means image. His or her image. I have told you in this video only that for his and her, the adjective possessives are same. So, sa, se. But this word is femina, singulier and beginning with a voyelle. So, instead of writing sa, we will write so. So, this is an exception that we have to follow, that whenever a word is beginning with a femina singulier voyelle, so instead of writing feminine adjectives, we will write masculine adjectives. I hope you get my point. Now we will see some more examples. These are the examples of plural. The words we use in this are may, te, se, no, wo, le. We will not pronounce the last word, that is S. That's why me, te, se, no, wo, le. Now read the sentences and start giving the answers along with me. These are my books. Ce sont dash livres. In the first part only, means while telling the sentences of masculine, I have told you this word livre. It's a masculine word. But here I have written S at the end, which means it is a plural. That's why if S will not be there, we will write mo, to. Now S is there, which is indicating that the word is plural. So we will write me, te, say, these words. For replacing this word my, we will write me. C'est son, mes livres. Next, these are your books. Ce sont tes livres. Next is, these are his books. Ce sont ses livres. Why say? Because his or her will follow the same word. These are our books. No. Ce sont nos livres. These are your books. Ce sont vos livres. And the last one, these are their books. Ce sont leurs livres. So, guys, that's all for this video. I have explained it very briefly. Now it's your duty to read the examples and try to answer the questions by yourself. And before answering the questions, first you have to refer to my part 1 video, for which link I have to share. For which link I will share in the description box. You can go from there and then answer the questions. It will be easy for you to understand after watching that video. For more updates, please like this video and subscribe my channel Learn French with Shruti. Thank you. Bye-bye.